Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's dive into some refreshing twist on the classic mojito. Today we are making three delicious varieties: pineapple mojito, grapes mojito and watermelon mojito. Perfect for summer or any time you want a burst of flavor. First up, the pineapple mojito. Start by mudding fresh mint leaf and lime bases in a glass. Add a couple of chunks of ripe pineapple for that tropical flair. Pour in 2 ounces of white rum and top it off with the club soda. Give it a gentle stir and garnish with a pineapple slice and mint spring. Refreshing and vibrant. So now let's make a grapes mojito in your glass. Muddles mint leaf with lime just like before. Now add a handful of fresh grapes and red or green work beautifully. Mash them gently to release their juices. Add 2 ounces of rum and a splash of grape and juice and fill the glass with ice. Top it off with the club soda and stir. Garnish with whole grapes and mint for that extra pop. And voila, your mojito grapes mojito is ready. Lastly, we have the watermelon mojito. Start by mudding mint leaf and lime in your glass. Add fresh watermelon chunks, about a half a cup, and mash them up to create that juicy base. Pour it 2 ounces of white rum or mix well. Fill your glass with ice, then top it off with club soda. Garnish with watermelon wedges and mint for that perfect summer vibes. And there you have it. Three unique mojito to impress your friends or enjoy your own. Cheers to creativity in your so guys, thank you for watching my video. I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to tune in. Your support means the world to me, and creating content is a journey, and knowing that you are part of it motivates me to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. Every like, comment, share help me grow and improve, and I am grateful for the community we are building together. I strive to deliver content that not only entertain but also inform and inspire. Your feedback is invaluable, so please keep sharing your thought and suggestions. I want to make sure I am providing what you want to see. Remember, this is a two-way street. Your engagement fuel my creativity. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my